In this exercise, we can learn some really valuable tools which will save us an awful lot of time when we're formatting documents and trying to get them look consistent. Here we see a document called instruments.doc, and it's clearly divided into various sections. There's a title, sections of the orchestra, and then obviously brass section, string section, percussion section, woodwind section. In order to format these quickly and easily, we can use what are called styles. Up here you can see there are different styles that we can put our text into. At the moment, everything is in the normal style, but if I wanted this to be a title, I can click on the arrow here and click on title, and you will see that title is now set as bold font, center, Times New Roman 14. In fact, if you wanted to change that, you can do to underline it, for example. So you could select and underline that text, right click on the title and update that to match that. We're not going to do that in this exercise, but that's how you can do that. So this is in title. We want each of these really to be headings, so you can see that we can see here we've got heading 1, so we put brass into heading 1, strings into heading 1, percussion into heading 1, and woodwind into heading 1. You see how quickly we can do that? We don't need to keep selecting our font and size and bold each time. This little backwards P is a paragraph return, and if we turn it on we can see where the paragraphs are. There are extra paragraphs in here which are really irritating, so I'm just going to take those out so that everything isn't too spread out. And I can take that one out there. So I've now got a really well presented document. Sections of the orchestra there, then brass, strings, percussion and woodwind. Incidentally, if you go to View and Navigation pane, you'll now see that sections of the orchestra, brass, strings, percussion and woodwind are all highlighted here, and it's much quicker to navigate around a very long document using those. So those are well worth setting up and using at the beginning of any large document which contains lots of pages and different sections. When you've done that, you can save your document and you can mark it.